Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of plea. A request made in an urgent and emotional manner. For example, he made a dramatic plea for disarmament. The second definition of plea. A formal statement by or on behalf of a defendant or prisoner, stating guilt or innocence in response to a charge, offering an allegation of fact, or claiming that a point of law should apply. For example, he changed his plea to not guilty. American pronunciation. Plea. Plea. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Plea. Say. Plea. Plea means request made in urgent and emotional manner. Plea. Plea. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. Parents have made emotional pleas for an under-threat school to be saved. Now, repeat after me. Parents have made emotional pleas for an under-threat school to be saved. The second practice. He made an urgent plea for the public to help catch the dealers. Now, repeat after me. He made an urgent plea for the public to help catch the dealers.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.